Hello and welcome back to part 4, and this is also the final part in our tutorial series on marketing with YouTube Shorts. Check the link below to view the playlist for other tutorials. In today's video, learn about accessing YouTube Analytics for Shorts. Let's get started. Go to the YouTube Studio. In the left navigation menu, click Videos. Hover your mouse over any video and some menu options will appear. You'll want to click the Analytics button, which looks like a tiny bar graph. On the right side of the page, you'll find real-time stats for views coming from YouTube Shorts. Method 2. While on desktop, go to the YouTube Studio. In the left navigation menu, click Analytics. Next, you'll see a section showing views, watch time, subscriber count, and estimated revenue for your channel. Scroll directly below this section and click See More. Go to the filter tabs at the top of the page and click Traffic Source. This action divides the views on your channel by all the different ways people can watch your content, which now includes YouTube Shorts. Like we have mentioned in previous videos, this is the best time in YouTube's history for a brand new channel to quickly gain new views and subscribers by using YouTube Shorts. We hope this tutorial series on Shorts give you some good ideas to get started with. Thank you again for checking out our channel How to Webmaster. Stay tuned for more internet marketing tutorials. And until next time, happy marketing!